A perfect addition for family homes, this Samsung American-style fridge freezer offers a vast amount of storage space for all your fresh and frozen goods. Food management is simple thanks to 3 built-in cameras that let you see what's inside from your smartphone. Easily keep track of what's stocked in your fridge while you're out, so you don't end up with more than you need. Keep the family connected with the calendar, as well as reminders, messages, pictures, drawings, and more. Stay in touch with ease with seamless connectivity from one shared place. Enjoy entertainment directly from the fridge door. Whether you want to continue the show you were just watching or put on some music, there's plenty of ways to liven up your kitchen, ideal for when you're entertaining friends. Add some contemporary style and convenience to your kitchen with this American-style fridge freezer from Samsung.